James set a new fitness goal every January and every Monday. For 2 years, he relied entirely on motivation to get himself to the gym, and for 2 years the pattern was identical: 2 or 3 strong weeks, followed by 1 missed session, then 2 missed sessions, then a full restart. Every time the streak broke, he had to generate fresh motivation from zero. He was not lazy, he was building on the wrong foundation. I'm Dev, and I've got your raw daily fuel for today. In Britain, nearly every person already owns one of the most powerful habit anchors on the planet, the morning tea ritual. It happens automatically, without thought, without decision, before the brain is fully running. The kettle goes on, the cup is prepared. It has happened thousands of times. The brain has encoded it so deeply it requires no willpower at all. That automatic sequence is not just a warm drink, it is a trigger waiting to be used. Here is the science behind why this matters. Habits are 3-part neural loops: a cue, a routine, and a reward. When a sequence repeats consistently, the brain transfers it into the basal ganglia, the part responsible for automatic behavior, and removes it from conscious decision making entirely. That is why you can drive a familiar route and arrive without remembering the journey. The behavior became automatic. Habit stacking works by attaching a new behavior to an existing automatic cue, hijacking a neural loop that already runs without effort, and adding your new habit onto the end of it. The formula is this: after I do my existing habit, I will do my new habit, and that is it. After I brew my morning tea, I will do 10 push-ups. After I sit down for lunch, I will walk for 10 minutes. After I prep my evening meals, I will set out my workout clothes for tomorrow. After I get into bed, I will open my training log and write tomorrow's session. Each of those pairs anchors a fitness behavior to something that was already going to happen, regardless of how motivated James felt that day. Research from University College London, published in 2010, found that new behaviours take an average of 66 days to become automatic, not 21 days, as is commonly repeated. And research on implementation intentions, specific if-then action plans, shows they increase follow-through by 2 to 3 times compared to vague goal statements. Motivation is an emotion. Emotions are unreliable. Habit infrastructure is not. The British canal engineers of the Industrial Revolution did not build 2,000 miles of waterway on inspiration. They built it through systematic, incremental daily progress. Your fitness life works exactly the same way. The framework is straightforward. Write down 3 to 5 things you already do every single day without thinking. Attach 1 small fitness behavior to each using the formula. Keep each stacked behavior under 2 minutes for the first 2 weeks. The goal is not the duration. The goal is firing the trigger consistently until it becomes automatic. Scale the behavior up only once it requires no deliberation to start. James applied the framework. At 8 weeks, he had not missed a single morning routine. His 10 push-ups had become 30. His 10-minute lunch walk was happening every workday without a second thought. He had been to the gym 11 of 12 planned weeks. Not because he felt motivated every day, because the habits fired before motivation was even consulted. I'm Dev, and that's your raw daily fuel. Remember, the British allotment gardener does not tend the plot only when inspired. Small, consistent daily action across the seasons produces the harvest. Build your fitness on habit infrastructure, not on how you feel on a given Monday morning. Subscribe to Raw Daily Fuel, diverse voices, global perspectives, one mission, helping you build the automatic systems that make results inevitable.